Alright guys, Tackle Warehouse video, Tackle Warehouse unboxing video today. Just ordered some more stuff, running low on some things, and I have a tournament coming up. I spent 75.96. Got some cool things. First off, I got some Uncle Josh mini frog trailers. That's for little hair jigs I got. All black colored ones. Let's see what else. Got some Strike King Rage grubs and green pumpkin. Got some KVD Perfect Plastics Junior Chunks in black and blue. Got some more chunks in green pumpkin. Let's see what else is in here. Oh crap, those aren't the right ones. Those are jig heads, quarter-ounce jig heads. Not what I wanted at all. Didn't mean to get the football style. Dang it. I always screw up on something like that. There's an Arky little jig head, hair grub, hair jig. I say hair grub. Got 3 or 4 of them. 3 or 4. I got 3 black ones. 3 black hair jigs. Got Denny Brauer Pro Model jig, ½ ounce in green pumpkin. One in black and blue. Another one in black and blue, and another in green pumpkin. Love those jigs. Then I got some Strike King Shadalicious swim baits, 4.5 inch in blue gizzard shad. One of my favorite colors. And then the last thing, I got some Seagarden Vizex and 17-pound test. That's great fluorocarbon. Check just Tackle Warehouse, Bass Pro Shops. Really, everyone has it. Has Seagar. Seagar's the best in my opinion. That's it. So let's see. I got check out Strike King too. Strike King makes some great products. I always love their stuff. That's it. That's really all. Hopefully I have some footage for you guys soon. Might be going to fishing Lake Cumberland this weekend for a high school tournament. So hopefully I get to, and if I do, I'll get some film for that. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.